Hi everybody, I'm going to show you how to make a pillowcase for a travel size pillow with a flange on it. It's basically the envelope style pillowcase with a cute little flange on it. These make great gifts. I've made dozens of these because they're so quick and easy. And the pillow form that you need is just the basic travel size pillow. You can get these pretty much anywhere. And what you're going to do is you need a ½ yard of fabric, and that's it. And once you cut your ½ yard of fabric, you're going to turn it right sides up, and you're going to find the spot where it only measures out 20 inches by overlapping selvage over selvage. And I'm about 20 inches right there. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go over to your sewing machine. I've already got this one done. And you are going to sew a ½ inch seam on the open edges. You can see where I've already sewn this one on both of the open edges. Then after you do that, you're going to turn it right side out, like I've already done here. And then you will mark 2 inches all the way around. I just used a ruler with a friction pin. Just put it on here, marked my 2 inches, put it over here, marked my 2 inches. Same way all the way around. Then what you're going to do is go to your sewing machine and you're going to sew on that line. Just do not cross over. Do not cross over here. You want to stop here on your corners. But just so you can do a straight stitch, you can do a decorative stitch. And then when you go over where your opening is, I usually back stitch a few times over that spot right there. And then all you have to do is basically stuff your pillow, and this is the result you get. And a friend of mine named Shellie Blake, she owns a quilt shop in Benton, Arkansas called The Bed Warmer. She showed us how to do this, and I'm telling you, it's contagious because you'll just want to make a million of these. As you can see, these are just the ones that I've made for myself. These two are for myself, but this one's going to a little girl in Arizona. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you make lots of travel size pillowcases.